In the Project section, state managers can be used for automatic assignment or to oversee a workflow step. Click on the Manage link to define state managers. For each state, select a user from the list of available users. Terminal states, states where no additional processing will be done, such as released, duplicate, or closed, may not need a state manager. We have selected TBD to signify no one for these states. State managers can be configured to be based on a particular pull-down field like product, request type, or any other pull-down you have configured. We'll select product. Now we'll configure the state managers for each individual product. When our browser is selected as the product, Support Engineer 1 should be assigned to the record. When our database is selected, Support Engineer 2 should be assigned to the ticket. Each product has its own state manager list that acts as a routing table in the workflow. When the Assigned To field is not visible on the Add page, newly added records are routed to the appropriate state manager. When configuring the workflow process, you can set a transition to assign a record to the state manager. In some cases, you may want to set a state manager to be someone who oversees the actions that happen in a state and is not necessarily the user doing the work in that state. For those situations, you can configure email rules to notify the state manager. For more information, including examples mentioned in this tutorial, please review the State Managers section of the online help guide.